Hello guys, my name is Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a reflection in Adobe Photoshop. I have my can over here, and in order for me to create a reflection out of it, I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate the can, select the bottom can layer, press Ctrl T, right click and then select Flip Vertical. Now hold down the Shift key and left click and drag down. So this is okay. Once you are done, add the layer mask to the bottom can layer, select the gradient tool over here, and make sure that you pick a gradient from the basic gradient group over here. So I'll go with the first one. You have to make sure that the gradient is coming from black to white. Now, hold down the Shift key, click and hold and drag. Once we have the reflection over here, just go to Filter, then Blur Gallery and select Tilt Shift. Once it comes, just increase the intensity of the blur a little bit and select OK. Now let us create an empty layer. Then select the ellipse tool over here. Drag and draw an ellipse shape like this. Let's fill the ellipse shape with the black color. Double click and then select the black color. Select OK. Now go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Click on Convert to Smart Objects. And let's give it a blur of 7 pixels and select OK. Once you are done, let's reduce the opacity of the blur just a little. So I think 80 is okay. And then we are done. So this is how to create a reflection in Adobe Photoshop.